Welcome back or welcome to Rubbish Media. My neighbor is a cool dude and everything, and I appreciate him including me on these rides, but man, for the sake of my health and safety, I don't know if I could ride with him anymore. You'll see why in about 5 seconds. So just to give a little context, we're up and near the Georgia mountains. I don't know what particular mountain we're on right now. And with Mark leading, this is about to get hairy. I don't know these turns, so we're gonna have to take my time. So I have no idea what the speed limit is. In my opinion, this place is so rural. There's 35 miles an hour. Okay. And as you can see, and as you will see, I have to do right at and almost double that to keep up, and I'm barely keeping up. Yeah, I don't want to die like this. I think I'm done. Don't get me wrong, I'm not criticizing or knocking anybody who makes this choice. I'm just saying for me personally, this just isn't for me. I'd rather come through here at about 50 miles an hour, maybe touch 60 every now and then, but I want to actually look around and enjoy the scenery. I don't want to be so laser focused on the road so that I don't go off into those trees. First of all, it's not just the trees. There's the trees there that can kill you, and also on some spots of this run, the drop off is about 20 to 30 feet. Like at certain points, I can't even see the ground. All I see is trees. Like I literally could go off the road in some of these spots and they won't even know where I went off. So I'm not knocking it. If you enjoy this, have all the fun in the world. This just isn't me right now. Line turn. I'm turning it more to somebody that just likes to cruise. Is not riding a vehicle such as this dangerous enough? Try to keep up. I will not look for more danger in the future. What's around the corner? Look at me struggling. I would have liked to take an opportunity to look to my left or right to see that body of water while I was going across that bridge, but I'm too busy concentrating on not dying. I don't want to sound ungrateful because as I understand it, these guys have been riding together for decades. And I really appreciate them extending the invitation. However, I think I'm going to have to take a step back from now on. I really feel like I'm playing with my life every time I ride with them. I almost feel bad saying that because they've been nothing but kind to me. I'm not saying I won't ever ride with them again to anywhere, but I just don't think I can keep up on these mountains anymore. Not the way I want to. At At this point in my life, I'd rather take a more relaxing approach. I think my balls to the walls days are over. My kids are getting older and they're having more and more experiences, and I just want to be around to relish that. And anytime I feel like I'm jeopardizing my ability to be a dad, I don't care what it is, I'll step back from it.
What's around the corner? And they ride this all the time.
So this is just a portion of this ride. I'm going to post more of it a little later. If you've made it this far, I appreciate you taking this ride with me. I am Rubbish Media, and I approve this message. And always remember to ride your ride and ride within your limits.